Good morning. We from Salem group of companies are leading manufacturer and exporter of disposable food packaging products, multi-layer paper film foil extrusion laminates and multi-layer films like shrink film, stretch film. Here in Gulfood manufacturing, we are showcasing the entire range of our products, which has paper, film, foil, fabric, plastic and bioplastic based various products. Considering all the efforts, we have moved out many of our products into sustainable product range. So, for example, earlier we used to manufacture plastic cutleries. Now we have a compostable cutlery and we are launching paper cutlery in this show. So it would be 100% bio-based paper cutlery. Earlier we used to do extrusion coating, that is PE coating on paper cups. Now we have moved to PLA coating on paper, and we have put an exclusive machine for extrusion coating of PLA. Likewise, we have paper straws, paper bags, and paper-based so many products that you can see. Apart from that, for airline, which is one of the major customer line, we have now giving them options for compostable, and they are also inclined towards either paper or bioplastic, which is compostable bioplastic based product solutions. We have a very vast range of products, starting from aluminium foil to hygiene paper products, to the plastic injection molding, rotable products, as well as for sheet extrusion thermoforming, all kind of disposable products like meal trays and hinge boxes like that. Apart from that, as I confirmed about the paper range that we have, and lastly, we have recently added two extrusion coating lines, one for LDP extrusion and other one for PLA extrusion coating, and two multi-layer film lines, one for compostable and other one for multi-layer film lines. So this is how we are growing, and we are expanding our further product line faster. Thank you.